Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a compelling financial education book by Robert Kiyosaki that contrasts the philosophies of two father figures in his life: his biological father, the poor dad, and the father of his best friend, the rich dad. Through personal anecdotes, Kiyosaki articulates how these two men shaped his beliefs about money and investing, highlighting the stark difference in their mindsets regarding wealth. The poor dad epitomizes the conventional wisdom of pursuing a stable job, securing a good education, and climbing the corporate ladder. He emphasizes the importance of saving money and instills a belief in the value of working hard for a paycheck. However, this approach ultimately leaves him trapped in a cycle of debt and financial struggle, making it clear that a higher income doesn't necessarily lead to wealth. In stark contrast, the rich dad educates Kiyosaki on the importance of financial literacy, investing, and the entrepreneurial spirit. He teaches that assets such as real estate or stocks are the key to achieving financial freedom. By encouraging Kiyosaki to think like an investor rather than an employee, he instills in him the principles of generating passive income, an essential step towards financial independence. Kiyosaki emphasizes the significance of learning how to make money work for oneself, instead of solely working for money. He encourages readers to embrace their financial education by seeking out resources, attending seminars, and networking with like-minded individuals. This mindset shift empowers individuals to take charge of their financial destinies and break free from the rat race. One of the book's central tenets is the notion that the rich focus on building and acquiring assets, while the poor and middle class focus on liabilities, unaware of how their choices limit their potential for wealth. This critical distinction encourages readers to reevaluate their financial habits and make informed decisions that will lead them to a path of accumulation rather than depletion. In conclusion, Rich Dad, Poor Dad is not just a guide to financial success. It's a manifesto for a mindset shift. By adopting the principles Kiyosaki shares, readers can cultivate a healthy relationship with money, prioritize financial education, and ultimately, pave their way toward true financial freedom. This transformative knowledge inspires individuals to become the masters of their wealth rather than its servants.